So welcome as we simplify this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with our solution. So on solving this solution, assuming that you have, for example, a to the power of m minus n, this one can be written as a to the power of a all over a to the power of n. So that is to mean that now our 4 to the power of x minus 2, that is equals to 28, shall be written as 4 to the power of x, then all over 4 to the power of 2 is equals to 128. So from here now we shall now work it out. So we shall now have 4 to the power of x all over, so 4 to the power of 2, that is 4 multiplied by 4, that is now 16, is equals to 128. So next we shall now have to remove 4 to the power of x, or we can as well remain with 4 to the power of x, so that now we remove 16. So we shall now have to multiply both sides by 16, this other side also by 16. 16 by 16 now shall cancel. So now we shall now have 4 to the power of x is equals to 128 multiplied by 16. So the next step is now for us to introduce the log on both sides. So when introducing the log on both sides, we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of 128 multiplied by 16. So we shall put them all into bracket. So when you have, for example, the log of m to the power of x, this one can be written as x, the log of m. So this one is just an example. So meaning that our log of 4 to the power of x, when you put into this form of x log m, it shall now be written as x, the log of 4, which is equals to the log of 128 multiplied by 16. Then all this into bracket. So assuming that we have the log of a multiplied by m, for example. So according to the law of logarithm, we can rewrite it by now having it as the log of a, then plus the log of m. So in this case, we shall now have it as x, the log of 4, which is equals to the log of 128 plus the log of 16. Then next, we want only to remain with x on this other end. So we shall now be forced to divide both by the log of 4, then also the whole of this side by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel each other. So now we shall now remain with x is equals to the log of 128, then plus the log of 16 all over the log of 4. So we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 4. So that means now we shall now have it as x is equals to the log of 128 divided by the log of 4, then plus the log of 16 divided by the log of 4. So the next step now we shall now have it as the value for x is equals to, so the log of 128 can also be written as the log of 64 multiplied by 2, then into bracket plus, so log 16 can be written as the log of 4 to the power of 2, then all over the log of 4. Then all of this shall now have all over the log of 4. So next now we shall now have it as the value for x is equals to, so now we shall now have the log of 64, then plus the log of 2. Then don't forget that everyone divided by the log of 4, then also this other side divide by the log of 4, then plus, so the log of 4 to the power of 2 can be written as 2, the log of 4 all over the log of 4. So next is still the value for x is equals to, so the log of 64 can be written as the log of 4, that is to the power of 3, then all over the log of 4. So that is to mean that when you have, for example, 4 multiplied by 4, that is 16, then the same 16 multiplied by 4 again, the result shall be 64. So that's now we have it as the log of 4 to the power of 3, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4 plus, so log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, now shall remain with 2. So next now we shall now say that the value for x, because we are finding it, is now, which the log of 4 to the power of 3 can also be written as 3, the log of 4, then all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4, then plus 2. So here now we shall now work it out by finding the value for x is equals to log 4 and log 4 now shall cancel, so now shall remain with 3 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4, then plus 2. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of p all over the log of m, so according to the law of logarithm, we shall now rewrite this one as the log of p to the base of m. So similarly, now our final answer for this question shall be the value for x is equals to, so now we shall now have it as the log of 2 to the base of 4, then plus 3 plus 2, that is 5. So now these are now qualifies to be our maths correct answer. So if you loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.